How to remove CAPTCHA from Omegle. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove CAPTCHA from Omegle. Open up the web browser. Tap on three dots from the top right corner. Go into Settings. Click on Privacy and Security. Then go into the Cookies and Other Site Data option. Scroll down to sites that can always use cookies. Tap on its Add option to enter the site. You can write omegle.com, take the checkbox, then click to add a site. Then you can see the site is added. Now open a new tab. Here search Omegle. Open up its site. Click on the video option. Take the checkboxes, then tap on Confirm and Continue. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.